Hello children, how are you? I hope you are in pink of health. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment number 8 of 8th class. The topic is grammar, simple present and simple past tenses. Okay children, fill in the blanks with suitable verb forms. First one. Ravi dash play cricket daily. While learning tenses, children, you should remember that every tense contains some important keywords. Okay. Here only two tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense. Daily. Daily, so this is repeated action, routine action, so that must be in simple present tense. Ravi is the third person singular, so verb takes yes or yes. Ravi plays cricket daily. Now let us see second one. Suresh dash sell his car yesterday. So this is keyword yesterday. Past action, definite past means action took in the past. Okay, right? It must be in simple past tense. Whatever may be the subject, the verb should be in V2 second form. Suresh sold his car yesterday. Third one, Himaja dash paint the house green last week. What is the keyword here? Last week. Right children? So that must be in simple past tense. Himaja painted the house green last week. Next, Girija dash love her country. See, love is the word. Okay, right? Love, like, dislike. So these are verbs of emotions. They must be expressed in simple present tense. Girija loves her country. Fran dash bring the book 2 days ago. See here, 2 days ago. This is the keyword. 2 days ago means definite past time. So Fran, what is V2 of bring? Brought. Fran brought the book 2 days ago. Sixth one, Janaki dash read the Hindu every day. So this every day is the keyword. It must be in simple present tense. Janaki is third person singular. So this verb takes yes or yes. Janaki reads the Hindu every day. Now let us see seventh one. Seventh question. The police dash catch the thief last month. Children, this is keyword. Last month is the keyword. So it must be in simple past tense. The police. So V2 of this catch is caught. The police caught the thief last month. Remember, catch, caught, not catched, caught. Eighth one. We dash pray to God daily. So daily is the keyword. Subject is we. So we need not add any yes or yes to this verb. We pray to God daily. Next, ninth one. You dash meet them in 2019. See here, we are in 2020. Here in 2019. After in any year, previous years, we should write the answer in simple past tense. You met them in 2019. India dash defeat Pak in 2007 match. See here in 2007. So past action. Answer must be in simple past tense. India defeated Pak in 2007 7 match. So in this way children, we can get command over 10 says. Thank you. All the best.